So, here we are in Eindhoven. Yes, those are Crocs, and what you're about to see will blow your mind. This is an installation that involves the colour green quite a lot. So, this one's really likes green stuff. So, try and describe it to you. There's a parquet floor and there's a small corridor space, and within it there's a lot of green stuff. And what happens is these two artists do some performance art in here. Everything is green. 2 o'clock and 5 o'clock there will be two performances. I guess this is a previously filmed performance of the green people, and some of the spaces, things that are going on. There's some more green stuff here, and this is the green helmets for safety, green curtains, green chair, green curtains, green trolley, very important. Green stuff over here, green tape on the floor, green bin, green. There's a little bit of gold, and there's some white occasionally. There we go. Totally bonkers. Mind blowing, really. I can't wait till 2 o'clock. Oh, and there's a live tattoo artist doing tattoos that he's filming and making into a documentary about sustainability on the planet. I'm not going to get any tattoos today. Enjoy!